Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna doing data cleaning in Excel for data analysis. So let's dive into the Excel and then we will see. You can see here I have a sports stored data set which I'm going to use for that. Here we have customer ID, first name, last name, email and states. You can see the sheets, the customer sheets, and then order sheet we have, and in the order sheet you can see the date, order ID, customer ID, and then the sports revenue, profit, and then we have a column for shipping cost and rating. So here you can see that customer ID has there are some text, and then there are some numbers. So here we have to separate that. We need only number to keep in the customer ID and in the name also. So let's go to just do one by one. Here for the customer ID, just go to select column A and then move to data. Yeah, before doing that we have to just check the, just go to click on that Control Shift and L and then check the data. Okay, just go to select this and go to Home tab, conditional formatting, and we are going to check the duplicates if there are any, and the color, it's saying that light red fill with dark red. Click OK. Here there are some duplicates, you can see here. So just we can go and remove these duplicates. Select this one, go to data, and you can click on that data tools, remove duplicates, and then click OK. You can see it's going to, either you want to remove from any one column or from all. So it will be, if it is checked all, it will remove the rows from the all columns. So it's 7 rows, duplicate, values found and removed. Click OK. So all the duplicates are removed from there. Customer ID, then here, yes, we are going to just find the customer ID. Here also duplicate, and try to find the duplicate, and again Control Shift L, and here this time I want to sort by color. You can see that there are no duplicates in this sheet, so it is not showing anything, so it is okay, we don't need anything. Now again move to the customer table, and then you can see the dates customer table, and then from here we need to separate this customer ID, and there are some text here, so I want to remove that one. Go to insert one column before this, and then here you can use that formula, or even you can use the delimiter, remove delimiter also. You can get it from index also, you can count the index and you can remove, but it's better all the customer ID was after this delimiter. So just go to select this, go to data, and then go to text to column and use the delimiter, delimited. Okay, go to next, and this time you have to choose the tab, semicolon, comma, whatever is there. You can click on that. This here I'm just going to use the other, and I just put it the whatever symbol, if there is any symbol or a space or anything, you can put it there, and then click next. You can see that text and numbers are separated here, it's showing in the preview. And then go to click on the finish. You can see that customer ID, the text and number are separated here. This is showing red because we applied that conditional formatting. So just go to clear and clear the rule from entire sheet, and it will be clear. So this is your customer ID. You can remove this. Now from here you can see that first name, last name are separated, so you have to make a new column with the full name. So just I'm going to make it full name column, and then here I'm just going to use concatenate this cell and comma this cell. So you can see that it's already joined these two first and last name together. And for the space we can use here another, we have to use the space in between, so that it's now it's in the correct form. So just click on that. So we have proper name, full name also. Now we don't need this. So once you can see, once you will delete this one, it will go, because this is the formula bar. I make it undo, and then you can see that this formula. So just go to select whole row, column, this one D, Control C, copy this one, and then paste as a value. Okay, and then you can find that this all formula has removed, and this all the cells become like a separate text. Now you can remove this one since we don't need this. So these two columns we already formatted. Now we have email. Here we are not going to use that one, but if you want to separate that, you can also do email ID and name and domain. You can separate it together. But for here estates, you can see that we have some estates. There are some gaps here, some space. Here we have more than one space. So this we have to fix this. For this one we are going to use here equal to, we will use trim command, and we have to do this one, trim D2, click OK. Here this is, since this is the same single word, so there are, you cannot find anything, but once you click here you can see that the changes. Here there are more space, and here it is proper adjusted here. So all you can see here, before this Georgia there are blank space, so this space also removed from here. Now this is looking perfect. Just go to make this column a state, copy this one here, and then again you have to just copy this full column, and then right click and paste as a value, and then you can delete this. Now this customers sheets are looking okay. This sheet is looking good, and then we can move to the order sheet, and from here we have date. So just go to right click, because this is showing the day and month, year also. So the date, we are going to just select this, and here we will move to the home and number tab, and then click here short date or long date. So we are going to use the short date. Now this is looking perfect for me. And here order ID, again we have some number, some digit. You can see that these numbers are typically added in all the column, and this number after 1 2 3 4 5 digit is the unique number order ID. So I'm just going to separate this 5 number from here as a order ID. So for doing this, we have to just add one new column, and here I'm just going to use that formula is equal to right, because I have to go to extract from right side index. You have to count how many index you want to, from 1 2 3 4 5. So just go to click 5. We have to select the cell B2, and then you have to write the how many characters you want to extract from B2, and then close. Like this you can extract the number of character from any cell, and then we can use that. So now here you can see we extracted the order ID. Since this is conditional formatting, just let me go to clear this, and this one also we have to Control C to copy this, and right click and just paste as a value, and then delete this. So now we have customer ID also adjusted, order ID also adjusted. Customer ID is here also. We will do the same, insert new column, and then here just go to select this, go to data, and then text to column. You use same delimiter what we used before, and then you can see that we choose other and hyphen. We will go to do the finish, and then it's also extracted from there. Just copy this customer ID here, and then you can go and delete this. So now customer ID is also fixed here. For the sports, we can see here yes, we have some baseball, basketball, football, and hockey, soccer. These are the category in the sports we have. It's looking good, there is no any issue, but we have to just go to make the proper like a first letter in the capital, and then so for doing this just go to insert new column, and then here equal to proper, you can write the proper formula, and then this one you can see that it's looking good now. And then you can make it to a sports. Here also right click, and then you can copy this, and then again right click, paste as value, and then you can delete this. Now revenue, it seems looking good, and then profit also we have, it is in number, there is no any change. Shipping cost, so if you have anything to put here for the shipping cost, you can make it any condition, you can apply any conditional formula equal to if revenue, total revenue is this much, then you will have this much shipping cost. If not, then this much. So I can use this one here. If revenue is if this one E2 is less than or equal to 50, you can say less than or equal to 50, less than 50. Okay, then we can say that this will be cost $10. If not, then it will be free, means $0. Then click OK. You can see here the cost is 183 more than 50, or you can say that 100. Okay, so if you click it, apply the same formula for all, and then you can see here this is $45 total revenue. It's costing $10 for shipping. If this is here 58, it's also costing $10. But when it's more than 100, what was the formula? Yeah, it is when it's more than 100, there will be 0. There will be no any shipping cost for that. So this one also adjusted, and just let me check one more time. Just go to customer sheet. This all is okay. So like this you can clean, and then you can use the formula and other thing to make your data set proper on the proper format to use for the data analysis. Thank you for watching, and in next video we will use this data set to do the analysis in our data visualization or dashboarding.